I walked out of school. My eyes were wet. I wanted to cry. Today was terrible. I tried to join the volleyball team. Everyone laughed at me. The coach said no. She said I was slow. The other girls said I would break the floor if I jumped. They called me Fat Amy again. They always call me that. My real name is just Amy, but nobody calls me that anymore. I walked to the park. I was sad and tired. I sat on a bench. I put my face in my hands. I started to cry. I cried and cried. Nobody was around. That was good. I didn't want anyone to see me. Then I heard a voice.
Bad day?
I looked up. An old man sat next to me. He was fat too, very fat, like me. I wiped my eyes. I didn't answer.
Let me guess.
He said.
Someone made fun of you because of your weight.
I stared at him. How did he know someone was mean to me?
I see.
He said. He smiled a little.
I was a fat kid too. People made fun of me every day.
I looked at my shoes. It's not fair, I said. I can't help it. I have a sickness. I can't lose weight.
I know,
He said.
sometimes life is not fair.
We sat quietly for a minute. Then he said something strange.
It's your fault.
He said. I turned to him. My face got hot. I was angry. Very angry. What? I said. How is it my fault? I didn't choose this. I didn't choose to be fat,
No,
he said slowly.
you didn't choose that, but you choose something else.
What? I asked.
You choose to believe them.
He said.
Tell me, do you love yourself?
I laughed, but it wasn't a happy laugh. Love myself? No. Who would love someone like me? I'm fat. I'm ugly. I'm useless,
There it is.
he said. He pointed at me.
That's the problem. You believe what they say. You think you're useless.
I am useless, I said. My voice was loud now. I can't even be on the volleyball team,
You don't need a volleyball team.
he said quietly.
You need you.
Then he walked away. I sat there. I was so angry. How dare he? How dare he say it was my fault? He didn't understand. He didn't know how hard it was. I walked home. I was angry the whole way. That night, I lay in my bed. I thought about what he said. I didn't want to think about it, but I couldn't stop. Maybe he was right. Maybe I did believe them. I always said yes when they called me useless. In my head, I always agreed with them. I made a decision that night. I was going to show them. I was going to show everyone who I really was. The next day, I went to school early. I talked to the art teacher. I asked if I could show my drawings at school, just for one day. She said yes. I worked all week. I brought my drawings from home. I drew new ones too. I drew animals. I drew people. I drew places I imagined, places that didn't exist. They were all beautiful. I put them up in the hallway. I made signs, big signs. They said, Fat Amy's Gallery. I used that name because I wanted people to come. I wanted them to be curious. I wanted them to come and laugh at Fat Amy. Then I would surprise them. The day came. Kids started to arrive at school. They saw the signs. They started to laugh.
Fat Amy's Gallery? This is gonna be funny.
One boy said. They came. Lots of them. They came to laugh at me. But then they stopped. They looked at my drawings. Their faces changed. They weren't laughing anymore.
Whoa!
Someone said.
Did she really make these?
Another person asked. More and more kids came. They stood around my drawings. They stared at them. They talked about them. They said they were beautiful. They said they were incredible.
Amy, can you teach me?
A girl asked.
I want to draw like this.
How much for this one?
A boy asked. He pointed at a drawing of a dragon.
I want to buy it.
I stood there. I couldn't believe it. People were talking to me. They were smiling at me. They wanted to be near me. Then she came, Jessica, the mean girl, the one who bullied me every day. She pushed through the crowd.
What is this?
She said loudly. She laughed, a fake laugh.
Did Fat Amy really make these? Probably copied them from the internet.
Nobody laughed with her.
She did make them.
Someone said.
I saw her working on this one.
Jessica's face got red. She looked angry.
So what?
She said.
She can draw. Big deal. She's still fat. She's still useless. She can't even run without sweating like a pig.
Before, I would have looked down. I would have cried. I would have agreed with her. But not today. I can draw, I said. My voice was strong. What can you do, Jessica, besides being mean? Jessica's mouth opened. She looked shocked. I never talked back before. Never.
I can do lots of things.
She said. Her voice shook.
Like what?
Another girl asked.
I'm on the volleyball team.
Jessica said.
So are 10 other girls.
A boy said.
Amy is the only one who can draw like this.
Jessica looked around. Nobody was on her side. Everyone was looking at my drawings. Everyone was talking to me. Jessica walked away. Fast. She was angry, but she was alone. I stood there. Kids were all around me. Some even asked me if they could sit with me at lunch. I had friends now, real friends. I thought about the old man in the park. I remembered his words. I finally understood. He was right. It wasn't about being fat or thin. It wasn't about being on the volleyball team. It was about loving myself. It was about letting people see the real me. When I loved myself, other people could see me too. The real me. I smiled. For the first time in a long time, I smiled. A real smile. I was still fat. That didn't change. But I wasn't Fat Amy anymore. I wasn't useless anymore. I was just Amy, and I was enough. Have you ever been bullied at school? What did you do about it? Share your story in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this. Lesson of the day. Make fun of. Make fun of means to laugh at someone or say mean things to hurt them. Examples from the story. Someone made fun of you because of your weight. I was a fat kid too. People made fun of me every day. More examples. Don't make fun of your friends. He made fun of my hair, but I didn't care.